Okay, so first of all, let's just start off with an introduction to yourself and your company.
Hello, this is Amr from Geeba Technologies. We are a truly decentralized delivery, last mile delivery ecosystem built and based on blockchain. We are rewarding the community that hosts our hubs and use our droids and drones, or buy our droids and drones to get paid for each and every single delivery transaction that happens on our network.
So it's quite a unique idea. Where did the inspiration for the whole business come from?
So actually we were a joint venture of two companies. One of them is Airlift, which we're delivering already in droids, and we were delivering in drones in Doha, Qatar. So we've been facing the problem of the last mile delivery with the current courier that's available. They're big sharks, and few names are known. So we thought to cut the cost because it was a headache for everyone. So we thought to cut the cost, and we managed through our solution to cut the last mile delivery cost by 75%.
So your kind of drone delivery service is actually active already, kind of ahead of
Yeah,
people like Amazon.
in some areas, of course, it's according to the regulations of the aviation authority in each country we operate in. But all the tests have been run, all the tests work perfectly. The price calculations are final. As I mentioned, we have managed to lower the delivery cost by 75% and to lower the time of the delivery itself by more than 100%. So the trip that would have take you like with the DHL courier to pick it from the DHL warehouse and bring it to your place, or FedEx or other couriers, we've managed to cut this time by half. Because the decentralized hubs, it allows for the true decentralization. It will cut the time and cut the cost because it will be relatively close to the recipient addresses.
So you kind of touched on it, but how far are you at in rolling this out to the public?
So first, we're ready with our prototypes with the droid and the drone. We're currently working on the blockchain system itself. The blockchain will be live by the third quarter of this year, and we will start inviting. It will be an open source platform. We will start inviting developers to join and contribute to this project. And the first truly autonomous fleet will be ready by the first quarter of 2020.
Will this be in Qatar only, or are you looking to expand outside of into Europe?
Actually, we're based in Qatar, but we're already incubated and operating in CIC in Rotterdam. So the first city that Geeba will be spread at will be Rotterdam. Later on, we will expand to the whole Netherlands and then the neighboring countries, because the current infrastructure allows this expansion. So we're planning next is Belgium, then Germany, and then France. And that's basically in Western Europe. Then we will start moving across Europe, then covering Europe, and then our goal is to cover the whole EMEA region. So Europe, Middle East, and Africa.
So who would you say are your kind of main competitors in this market? Are there any at all? Would you consider Amazon, for example?
It's not competitors because we see in every competition there's an opportunity. So the current couriers like DHL, FedEx, TNT, and UPS, let's say, they don't usually use their fleet. They have subcontractors. So these subcontractors that we are targeting to make it easier for them. So they can own this autonomous vehicle and do it autonomously. They can own the hub and receive. They get paid for every transaction done, and this is how we're empowering the community. So it's not a competition because it's only the last mile, which the other big players already depend on subcontractors to do. So no, we are not doing logistics. We're not doing international shipping. So that's not a competition. No.
Yeah. So finally, we're at Blockchain Expo Europe. What have been your key kind of highlights and takeaways from the last 2 days?
Here at the expo, it was amazing. We've built partnerships, and there's more possible partnerships to build. We've got connections to exchanges and ICO listings website since we are launching our ICO. Our private sale will start on the 15th of July. And it was a great opportunity to come here and participate and meet other these great ideas and companies that I'm sure that many of them will be the next $1 billion company soon.
We'll see. Well, thank you very much for that. Cheers.
Thank you so much.